this time. Spotter information statement. Skywarn spotter activation will not be needed. Wind advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. What? West winds around 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of west central Wisconsin and east central and southeast Minnesota. When? From 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sunday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Repeating, a wind advisory remains in effect from 6 a.m. until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Dunn, Eau Claire, Pippin, Pierce, and St. Croix. This is